Hello everybody. In this video we are going to learn about pause system into our game. So for pausing the game, I have downloaded this character with some animation. You can add characters to your Unity game from Mixamo, and also you can have lot of animations to add with that characters. So now on this section I will explain more details later on in some video. So now we have downloaded this character, and first of all we will make this rig to humanoid, and then we will also extract the materials and textures. So now we have our character ready to be added to our game. So let's delete this thing, and then we will just drag and drop this character over here, and I will just rotate it towards the camera so we can see that character in action. So here you can see that the textures are quite fine, but we will add some this texture again on the body, and now its face is visible, quite visible. So now we will go to Windows, General, and rendering, lighting settings, and we will make this skybox to color, and then we will change the color to something like white so we can see our character like this, and then we will rotate it like this. Okay, now we want to add the animation on the character. So animation we already have downloaded with the prefab, and you can see here the animation. I think this one, sorry, this one. Okay, falling animation. So for adding the animation we will just create an animator controller, and we will say falling, and then we will drag this animation over here. Okay, so now we will just select this character, and in animation tab we will just make it loop. Okay, loop time we will check. So now if we play the game, hopefully the character will move. And now, oh sorry, we have not added the animator to our character. So select the character, and in this animator section we can add this animator. So now if we play, hopefully it will animate. So let's, so you can see that character is animating and like this. Okay, and the animation will be looped again and again. So now we want to pause the game. This is actually a game, and we want to pause a game with certain limitations. So let's delete this plane, and we can add camera to our character as well. So now the camera is added to our character, and we will make camera a little bit here so we can watch character more clearly. So now we will create a script for pause. So let's create another script, name it pause, or any other name you can assign, and then we will open this script. We have created a script, and in update function we want to pause the game, because always we will add our inputs in update function. So let's create a function here. So if we will say if input dot get key down, and then we will assign the key. So let's add a key code dot space. Then what will happen? So there is a function in Unity which is called time dot time scale. So you also saw some slow motion effects in certain games, so we can do by maintaining the time in the game. Okay, so for example here if we add 0.5, it will slow down the game, and if we add here only 0, what will happen? Our game will be paused. The initial time of the game is actually 1, so we made time to 0. So let's see this in an action, and time scale is 0f. If you press space, it's paused. Okay, and we didn't added any resume option, so let's add the resume option as well. So for that purpose we will copy this thing and let's add another statement, and we will say key code dot r for resume, or you can add any key. Then we will add 1f. So let's save it, and then we will move to our Unity editor. Okay, now if we press the space key, you can see game is paused. If we press R key, it will be resumed. So that's it for this video. If we press space, it will be paused. If we press R, it will be resumed. Space, paused, R, resume. Okay, so that's it for this video, and in next video we will move further. Goodbye.